Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let us discuss the answers for page 37 of this exercise book. So the question here on the page asks you to identify the error, that can be found in the following statements. So state the reason why such error occurs. Provide the correct answer. So the first statement says char letter, comma, int num. Okay, so what is the problem here? Is there any error? What do you think? So when you execute the statement, the compiler will give you an error here. Okay, so actually the statement here consists of two statements. The first one is the declaration char letter. The second one is a declaration statement int num. So there are two declaration statements here, so the statements must be separated. Okay, so it should be written as char letter semicolon int num semicolon. Okay, indicating that there are two statements. Okay, so next one char s. What is wrong with this one? Char s. So you have the data type, okay, of type char. Okay, what about this one? This one is the value that should be stored into the location. So where is the location? Missing location. So the correct statement would be, okay, char and then one location name. Okay, in this case I use letter. Char letter is assigned the value s. Alright, next one char gender. Okay, now char gender in bracket M or F. This is totally wrong. Okay, the computer or the compiler will not understand the statement. Okay, so what you should be doing is you should remember the syntax for the declaration. Okay, the data type followed by the location name followed by the assignment operator and the value that should be stored into the location name. So in this case you have the declaration char gender. Okay, char gender. If you want to assign to M or F, then you have to follow the format like the second one. Okay, char gender is assigned M in single quotation or F in single quotation. Okay, next one, int marks is assigned 86.5. What is wrong here? The value here is of type floating point value, and yet you have integer as your data type. So this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. So this is okay, this is valid, this can be executed by the compiler when so that's it. Enjoy your coding.